everyone, welcome back to our channel. Thank you for watching us. Friendship is like a lifelong process, and we tend to make friends in like every now and then in our lives, and especially when we are teens. And friends play a very important role in our life, so we have to choose the right one, we have to stay with the right ones and do the right thing. They have a lot of influence on us, so I think it's very easy to understand who is your right friend and who is not, like who would be with you till the very end and who will not, right? Sometimes we might feel betrayed or disheartened because of our friend circle, but we should not lose faith in friendship because of that. Because for some of us, I think friends are really important. We need someone to rely on, especially when we are teens. We tend to prioritize our friends more than our family and every other human being in our life. So that is why they play a very important role in our life. So we need to stick with the right ones. And once you get into a real friendship, that true bond, it just feels different. You feel like a completely different person. The point of this video is not that you have to be emotionally dependent on someone entirely. It's that having someone who would always help you out and who would always tell you to do the right thing, who would always guide you, and someone who would celebrate your joys with you and comfort you when you need it, right? When you have toxic friends around you, everything is toxic. And first of all, before making friends, I think we should just take a look at ourselves. We should remove our toxicity and then go ahead and then make friends, then make the right friends. After we make the right friends, the feeling is just magical. It's wow. For me, it's like my current best friend. Like, I have made a lot of friends in my life, and till now I have never felt like I was important to them. That sense of importance. But right now, I have this friend of mine, and she really makes me feel that I'm important to her, and she just listens to me like nobody else. She's such a great listener, and we all want a listener somewhere. Like, I would not say all, but most of us really need someone who would be with us. Like, I need someone who would be with me till the very end. I am not a person who would want to stay alone all the time. So I kind of prefer a very small friend circle, where I don't even have a friend circle. I have just one or two friends, but they mean a lot to me, and they are just enough. When you find that correct, that right friendship, when you discover the true meaning of being friends, when you are loyal to each other, and when you understand each other, when you listen to each other, when you make each other feel important and special, it's just very magical to me, because I have never felt like that before in my life. So that is why I think real friendship is very important for us, for each of us. But again, there are certain people who don't really need friends. But when you really know that you need a friend in life, it's like having someone you can always confide in, and having someone with whom you will always want to share your intimate and private moments with. Having someone who would always, you always believe that no, even if I start doing the wrong thing, this person will tell me to stop and will show me the right way. A person who would always be there with me. I would even feel like my best friend. I have never met her in my life. She's my online friend, but still I feel like she's here. She understands me, even though I've never seen her in real life. But still I know that she cares, and that feeling, it's just different, and I cannot express it in words. But for the other lot of people, those who don't need company because they are brought up in a way and they just like being alone all the time. It's not that loners, like the complete loner who does not want any sort of company. I'm talking about that thing. It's not about, you're not a complete loner even if you have a single friend. Like, I'm not a complete loner. I tend to have a really small group of people around me, and I tend to talk to a small group of people, but that does not make me a loner. That makes me a private person. But a loner, I think it's okay to be a loner. It's not a bad thing if you have no friends, because there was a study which showed that every one out of five people has no close friends at all. So every fifth person you walk into has no close friends at all. So it makes it completely normal if you're a loner, because it's your life. If you don't want to be with someone, then it's your choice. It's completely okay. And they have their advantages, they have their disadvantages too. But it's okay. If you have friends, then also it's okay. If you don't have friends, then also it's okay. But if you have friends, you need to be with the right ones, or else everything is just going to be messed up and toxic all around you. So sometimes we feel that we are too attached with someone, and I cannot just break my friendship with him or her because maybe that person doesn't feels for me in the same way. But it's good for both of you, because the sooner it is, it will be easier for y'all to recover from it. Because if you keep on delaying that, and if you still stick to that person, it will hurt you more. Even like at one point of time, it is just you both are going to drift away from each other, and that is going to hurt. So it's better to break it as soon as possible and find the right one. That person might not be wrong, but that person might not just be right for you, especially at that moment. So we need to break it. It's not a bad thing to break relationships when they hurt you and when they have negative impacts on you. I think it's better to break it, to leave all those toxicity behind, and then discover your own true self and then make friends. So the point of this video was just a wake up call for you all to leave those who are toxic in your life and to discover yourself and then make friends. Think about it. It's not just don't make friends because of the society, because the society wants to see you with friends. It's completely okay to be alone if you want to be. It's peaceful. So make your own decisions. So don't do something according to others' will, right? Do what's right for you. And if you really think that this person really makes you feel important and you're not treating that person the way he or she is supposed to be treated, then please fix that, because sometimes we lose the right ones because of our own faults. So don't let that happen. If you still have the opportunity to save a relationship and you know it's right to do it, then go for it. Always keep a group of people around you who will actually help you and who will actually stay with you till the very end. Life is short. We should not waste it on just trying out different people and seeing who's right and wrong. We all can feel love, right? So if you are feeling that someone really cares for you and loves you, then stick to that person. And don't always think that no, I'll get someone better in the future. This goes for any sort of relationship, be it a romantic relationship or any kind of relationship. Don't always look that this person is you don't have to find the perfect friend who is perfect at everything. No, nobody is perfect, right? So don't always think that I will find someone better in the future or something like that. If you really think that this person genuinely loves you and cares for you, then stick to that person and help that person in good ways so that you can get it back too. So if you really enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with all your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and comment your opinion on this video. And I hope that all of you have someone who you can rely on, and even if you're a loner, you should be happy in it. It's not necessary to have someone. You are strong enough alone. So be happy, and as I said, if you really think that someone loves you and genuinely cares for you, then you should just stick to that person. It's going to be worth it.